Namaskara. This is Dr. Saundarya Srivatsa here. A very warm evening to one and all of you who are watching me right now. I would like to introduce myself as the disciple of Guru Srimati Narmada and Guru B. Bhanumati. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank my dear friend Srimati Hema Prabhat for having given me this opportunity to present one of the rasas in this episode of Navarasa Nayika. As human beings, we all, in our day-to-day life, we experience different emotions and feelings. And these feelings are according to the circumstances which are around us. Today, I will be presenting the Bibhatsa Rasa. As we all know, Bibhatsa Rasa, the sthai for Bibhatsa is Jigupsa or disgust, and the deity being Mahakala, a form of Lord Shiva, and the color which represents Bibhatsa is blue. This is according to our Shastra. Bibhatsa is a rasa which is evoked due to unpleasant situations surrounding us. And Bibhatsa can be felt by the sight, by the smell, by the taste, by hearing, and by the touch. And today, I have taken few episodes to represent this rasa through Drishya and Shravya. I would like to say that I have taken some contemporary themes. As I have already told you, ನಮ್ಮ everyday lifestyle ಅಲ್ಲಿ we undergo a lot of things at home or at work or at our profession or whatever it is. We do come across different situations which will get us into different emotions and feelings. And the first and foremost for Bibhatsa I have taken, as I told you, it is through Drishya, 3 small episodes. The first thing which we all do as soon as we get up early in the morning, we get up, we have a cup of coffee, and we just get into our day-to-day life. And the first thing which we do is to clear the clutter or the garbage at home. This is about a Nayika, a housewife, her experience and how she gets into this rasa by the surrounding in which she has to indulge in. So I will begin with the first episode, Bibhatsa.
Sariga riga pa gapada pada gapada ni da pa gapada gapada riga sariga ga riga pa 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 gapada da da sani da ni da pa da pa ga sariga ga ga riga pa 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 gapada da da sani da ni da pa da pa ga pa da sani da pa da ri pa da 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 ri sani da ri ri sani da sa sani da pa ga pa da sa ni da pa ga ma ga ri sa sa da 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 ri 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 ga 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 pa 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 da pa ga pa da pa sa 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 ri 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 ga 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 pa 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 da 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 pa ga pa da sa ri da pa ri 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 da da ri sari sa ni da pa da pa da pa ga ri sa a na 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 sani ni da da pa pa ga ga pa da pa ga pa ga sa sa ga ga pa pa da da ni pa ga sa sani ni da da pa pa ga ga pa da pa ga pa ga sa sa ga ga pa pa da da ni pa ga sa ni da sa ni da pa ga pa da sa ga pa ga sa ni da pa ga pa ga pa da ni da pa ga pa da pa ga pa ga sa ni da ga ta da na Gapadani sani dapa gapada baga baga sani sakapada ni sani saga sani da pa gapada ni dapa sa
Here, I wanted to convey that if there are more than 2-3 people experiencing the same situation, or they are in the same situation, it doesn't mean that everybody have to go through the same rasa. Here, the woman experiences bibhatsa, but whereas the man who has come to clear the clutter and the garbage, it is his work, and he's earning money out of it. It is his bread, it's his living. So here there are different people who are expressing or who are experiencing different emotions. Now I move on to the next episode. It is a lady who is very good at cooking, and she has some guests at home at 12 o'clock in the noon to serve them with the most delicious food. And in what way is she going to experience this rasa bibhatsa? Let's watch.
Tum tum, tum tum, tum tum, tum tum, ta na 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 na. dina din ta ka dina din ta ka dina din din ta din ta ka dina din ta ka dina ta ka dina taragada 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 din ta ka dina din ta ka din din ta ka dina taragada 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 pada pasani da pama gariga taragada 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 pama gari sani na taragada din taragada din na 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 dinna daragada tatak dinna takat kita jenna takat pitak jenna ta tai daragada tatak dinna daragada tatak dinna takat pitak jenna ta tai din tatak dinna din tatak dinna din tatak dinna daragada daragada din tatak dinna din tatak dinna din tatak dinna daragada daragada din din ta din ta din din ta din ta din tatak dinna takat dinna ta pada ni gari ni da pa sa ni da pa ma gari sa
As you all saw now, that woman who took so much of trouble and she put her complete mind into her cooking, and when she knows that she's a good cook, she only expected them to relish her food and eat it. But when she sees them eating, I think most of us have experienced such things when we visit some function or rituals or places where there are people who eat very unaesthetically. So it is then this rasa, bibhatsa, is created in us. At that time, when we see people eating in such a manner, not a morsel of food will get into our throat. And that is what I try to depict. And now I move on to the third episode of Drishya. As all of you know, that the whole world today is facing a crisis. The disease of spread by the virus corona. So, keeping this in my mind, have choreographed this episode. Let me present it to you, and later on, might be I can answer to you during the question and answer session. Thank you.
ni da ma ga ma pa ga ri sa ni da ni sa ri ga ma sa ni da ma ga ri ga ma pa ga ri sa ni da ni sa ri ga ma ni da 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 ni da 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 ni sa ni da ma ga ri ga ma pa ga ri sa ma ga sa ma ga sa ma ga sa ma ga sa ni da sa ri ga மகமணி தனி பதனி சரி கமக தனித நிதம கரி கமப கரி தனித நித நித நிபத நித தனித நிதம கரி கமப கரி தனித நித நிகம நித நிபத நித நிகமகச நிகமகச நித நி சனி நித தம மகரி கம பகரி நிகமகச நிகமகச நித நி சனி நித தம மகரி கம பகரி சனி தனி சரி கம ரிகம ம ம ம ரிகம ம ம ம கமனி த த த த கமனி த த த நித 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 த நித மகரி கம பகரி நித நித சாத நித நித சாத மகத 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 நிதம நிதம தனி தனித தனி தனித ரேக மகத தனி தனித தனி தனித ரேக மகத தனித நிதம கரி கமப கரி தனித தனித நிதம கரி கமப கரி தனி சரி கம நிதனி பா
With this, I move on to one mythological episode. I'm sure you're all familiar about the yajna which was performed by Daksha, where he does not invite his son-in-law, Lord Shiva, and his daughter, Shakti. But Shakti, when she hears about this ritual or the ceremony which is being thrown by Daksha, she requests Shiva that she would like to go along with him to her parents' house. But Shiva tells her, no, let's not go. We are not invited. It is better we don't go to a place where we are not invited. But she becomes stubborn and she says, no, I would like to go there and see my parents once. And what happens once she goes to her parents' house and she gets dejected or jigupsa on herself because she repents that she did not listen to her husband. So this is for the Shravya aspect of Bibhatsa, where she cannot hear the harsh words of her father about her husband, and where Shakti gets into this Jigupsa or the Bibhatsa rasa. Now I move on to this next episode.
Dim dim ta 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 dim dim ta 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 dim ta dim 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 ta na na ta na na dim dim taragada dim dim taragada dim taragada dim taragada dim taragada na 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 dum ta ta dum ta ta dum ta 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 dum dum ta 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 dum ta 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 dum dim taragada dim taragada na 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 da da na 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 dim tatak dim tatak taragada tatak din dim ta ta di di ta ta tatak din ta tatak din taragada dim dim tatak din dim taragada na 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 dim tat 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 tragadam diddi tat 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 tragadam diddi tat 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 dim tat 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 dim na 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 ma 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 ga ma ga sa da ni sa ga ma da ni da om da na num da ra na ra num da 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 num da da ra num da ra num da da ra num da 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 dum da 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 dum da 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 num da 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 num da da dum da da ga dum da 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 num da da ga na da da num da 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 num da 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 ga da da num da da na num da na sa ga ma da ni sa ni da sa ni da ni da ma ga da da dum da 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 dum da da num da da dum da 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 num da 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 dum da 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 dum da da dum da 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 dum da ga dum da da ga dum da da ga dum da da dim dim தரகடதா திம் தக்கிட்ட தரகடதா திம் திம் தரகடதா திம் தக்கிட்ட தரகடதா தனன தனன
Here, I have tried to bring out the jigupsa or the bibhatsa in Daksha when he criticizes Shiva, saying different innumerable defects in him. And he finds Shiva to be a disgusting person. And on hearing this, Shakti, she gets jigupsa, disgusted. And it's not just the bibhatsa. We can see lot of other vyabhachari bhavas. We can also see krodha, raudra, humiliation, trembling. All these vyabhachari bhavas which are brought along with the rasa bibhatsa. So, this was what I tried to analyze the rasa in my own way and have brought it across to one and all of you. Once again, I would like to thank Srimati Hema Prabhat for having given me this unique opportunity. This is my first online live concert. It's a very unique experience for me. And I would like to thank my husband, Shri Vidwan Shri D.S. Srivatsa, who has supported me today with the music, and my dear friend, Shri Shrikant, for the videography. And I would also like to say that Hema was particular that we don't use any kind of lyrics, and we have to portray the rasa either by swaras or by the raga, alaps, or by shollakattus. So this was really a different experience for me to choreograph as well. Thank you all. And if there are any questions, you can please begin with it. Do I have any questions? My friend Hema has asked me which is my favorite rasa. I don't think I have anything like that in particular, but of course for me Sringara is my favorite because it is one rasa which can bring out all the other Ashtarasas in it, and that is why I love Sringara. Pooja, I guess you have asked me about the difference between the internal and the external Bibhatsa. Of course, it is not just the materialistic things which are around us causes this rasa. When we also indulge with people who are not true, who are not genuine, who spread bad vibes with us, I think definitely we do undergo this rasa of Bibhatsa. Sri Vidya Kumanpur, thank you very much. Definitely I would like to also perform for all of you. I missed out on a question. Anyway, I don't know who asked me that. According to our Natya Shastra and Abhinaya Darpana, it says Bibhatsa is being represented by the color blue. I'm sorry to tell you that I'm not very clear about why that particular color is used to depict Bibhatsa, but I think there's nothing to do with the color. It's just that how you portray the particular rasa is about. Okay, thank you all. Thanks to Srimati Hema and Sri Prashant Gopal Shastri for this wonderful opportunity. Namaskara.